So students, we will solve these questions by formula method or by complete square method, both methods. Okay. So let's take one by one. First, we will focus on completing square method. Students feel this is like a little difficult or they won't show much interest here. Formula, it's easy to do. Everyone will be doing that. So how to do completing square method, right? So focus on the steps what I'm going to explain here and follow the same things. First step is rewrite this given equation. 2x square minus 7x, put that 3 here, just throw it out. Now that becomes minus 3. Now whatever number is present here, you need to divide this whole equation by the same number. Why? Because I want to have only x square. I don't want to have any number here with x square. So that is my intention. So to do that, what I will do now, I have to remove that 2, right? That 2 I should remove. So to remove that 2, I will divide the whole equation by 2. So divide equation by 2, correct? So what will happen now? 2x square by 2 minus 7 by 2x equal to minus 3 by 2. So this 2 will get cancelled and you will remain with x square minus 7 by 2x equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, now this is ready. What method we are following? Completing square method. So you have to complete the square. That means if I ask you, when you consider, if I write 2 here, when you consider the square has completed for this 2, when you square it, right, when you get 4. If I write a plus b, or if I write a minus b, when you consider you have completed the square, when you square it, what is the value of this? A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is called completing square. Here a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now look at this and look at this, they look same, right? First term a square, here x square. Second term 2ab here also kind of we have a variable and a number, and we have one constant like b square is this, like this, correct? So this indirectly this is showing us we need to compare this question and this formula. Anyone you can compare this or whatever. Okay, so anyway, don't touch first and last terms, don't touch this. What you need to touch is the middle one. So what is middle one? Minus 7 by 2x. This you equate to the middle term present here. What is this middle term present? 2ab equal to. So I'll take this one, okay? I don't go with this, 2ab. Then find out the unknown here. What is the unknown here? ab is the unknown here. ab you find out. So when you find out ab, this 2 you need to shift this side, right? So here the 2 is multiplied. Here it becomes division, means it goes down like this. So here we will have minus 7 by 4x now. Got it? So once we are done with this, our number what has to be added is available now. Means the number which is going to help us in completing the square is available. Okay, so what we will do, very simple, 7 by 4, right? Correct. This is our what term? ab. But in the formula what we have? A square we have first. So I will write x square from the question. Then plus 2ab I have. So as per the question I should write minus. Correct. Why minus I am writing? Because, okay, let me write plus only. Plus 2. What is ab? ab is minus 7 by 4 into x. Then plus b square. So this b square is not available, right? That b square is this only. Whatever number will be present here, this number, that only the b square. So only the number, forget about the sign because sign will be adjusted. 7 by 4 whole square. Now when you are adding this 7 by 4 whole square on the left side, you will do the same thing on right also, because it's not that you will do it on one side and leave it on other side, or else this will be a violation, right? So you'll do it on both. Now you completed your square actually. Okay, now rewrite this x square. Here you have plus, observe, and here you have minus. There is a multiplication. See, 2 into this, correct, multiplication. So this becomes minus 14 by 4x plus 49 by 16. Here you just write 49 by 16. This. Now I want you to observe the left part. Okay, this is showing you some formula. You need to observe this. Look there. This is nothing but x minus 7 by 4 whole square. This is nothing but, if you want, you expand and see you completed this. So what you have right side? minus 3 by 2 plus 49 by 16. So if you cross multiply this, cross means left, right, bottom. So first we'll do left. Here I have 16 and here I have 3. 16 3s are 48. I will write minus 48 since 3 has minus sign. Then I will do right now. 2 into 49 is 98. Plus I will write in between, plus is there. You can see here plus is there. Then bottom 2 into 16, that is 32. Okay, let me draw a line here. Okay, so now 48 plus 98 minus 48 plus 98 will be what? What is that? 50. 50 by 2 will be what? If I just cancel 50 by 2, I will 50 by 32, I will get 25 by 16. Okay, now 25 by 16 is equal to x minus 7 by 4 whole square. So in the next step, if I remove this square, then I will adjust that square with the square root on right side. Everyone knows this. Now what is the square root of 25 by 16? Square root of 25 by 16 is 5 by 4. Very simple. 5 by 4. Yes. Now what will be your x value? This minus 7 by 4, just throw it here. Then you will get x equal to 5 by 4 already is there. See, always when you are shifting, no, first you should write who is there already. Then who is coming. Who is coming from left? Minus 7 by 4. So here, after coming here, he becomes plus 7 by 4. Now this is a like fraction. So I will add the numerators. So come here. 5 plus 7 will be what? 12. 12 by how much? 4. Correct? So 12 by 4 is what? 3. So your x is equal to 3 in this case. Your x is equal to 3. That's all. So just follow the method like this. And see this 2ab, how to compare that and how to write also I have shown. Okay, anyway, let's take the next question also. So now little fast I will do. So first rewrite 2x square plus x minus 4, I will write equal to 4. Divide by 2. 2x square by 2 plus x by 2 and here 4 by 2. So now I got 2, okay, x square plus x by 2 equal to 4 by 2. I need to compare this with a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, here nothing is there. Anyway, just okay, leave it. Only the left part comparison will happen. Right number, that's why we separated this number actually. Why we separate? Because the one more reason is to not include that in the completing square. Later we will balance that by writing. So this is 4 by 2, right? 4 by 2 will become how much? 2, right? 2. This is 2. Okay, focus on left part. In the place of a square you have x square. Look at this here now. 2ab is x by 2. So if 2ab is x by 2, then what is ab equal to? X by 4, because this 2 comes here, right? So now come on, bring and rewrite this. So now a square plus 2 into ab is x by 4. X by 4, I will write x into 1 by 4. So I'll have 2ab, 3 terms, 2a then b, like this I'll have, right? So now what is the constant here? 1 by 4. That one, this one b square term, square it and add it. Square. Do the same thing on right side also. Right side what we had here? 2 1 by 4 whole square. Finish. Now rewrite again. X square plus, what is this now? 2x by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 16 equal to right side 2 plus 1 by 16. Cross multiply 33 by 16. Okay, and then nothing will get cancelled. Leave it. Now observe this. This is x plus 1 by 4 whole square. Observe that, x plus 1 by 4 whole square. If you want, you can just expand it. You will get this one, x plus 1 by 4 whole square. Now solving part. X plus 1 by 4 equal to, I'll remove the square and put a square root this side. 33 by 60. Correct. So 33 is a non-perfect square, remains as it is, but root 16 will give us 4. Okay. Now x plus 1 by 4 is equal to root 33 by 4. What is x equal to? Root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Correct? And so again, like fraction, subtraction. So write the numerator root 33 minus 1 divided by what? 4. LCM as it is. You can write plus or minus. Plus or minus root 33. Only the root is only to the 33. 1 is separate. Okay. Root 33 minus 1 divided by 4 is the answer. This is how you can do. Let's take one more. Okay, let's take the third one. If you observe the third one, 4x squared plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. This is already in a completed square method. No need to divide all that, no need to do all that. So very simple it is. Can I write this as 2x whole square? Then this 4 root 3x, I have to split like this, right? 2ab like this. So 4 root 3. 4 root 3x. So can I write this 4 as 2 into 2 root 3 into x? So now this is 2ab or 2ab, anything you can, 2ab. So I will write it as 2 into 2 root 3. Okay, I will write it as, see, you can write however you want, but I am just trying to match the given equation. So I am going to write it as 2 into 2x into root 3 plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, or you can write this as root 3 square. Okay, we'll do that in the next step. No problem. That's what I want to explain, right? So see here, that is 3. Okay, this 3. So next step. Now this is 2x square, 2x whole square plus this is kind of 2ab, and 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. Agree or not? Yes. Root 3 into root 3 is root 9. Root 9 is nothing but what? 3. That means root 3 is what? Root 3 square. Correct? Agree? Yeah. Now look at this. Your a is 2x and your b is root 3. So this is a plus b. 2x plus root 3 whole square. Finish. Equal to 0. 2x plus root 3 equal to 0. Square equal to 0 means root. If you remove the square, what is the square root of 0? Again, it's 0 only, right? So 0. Then what is x from here? Minus root 3 by 2. This is the answer. So this was already like completed one. We just solved it like this. Got it? Okay. Let's quickly take the next one. All we are doing from completing square method. So this one. Very simple. We'll follow again. It's not ready now like this. How to identify whether it is ready or not? Look here now. You can just see here. What is this now? 2x square. Here x. Here 4. So your a. This is not a perfect square. Here it is perfect square. Here this is not perfect square. Not perfect square. So first term is, if first term has a perfect square number, then it's kind of completed. You need to check. If it's not perfect square, then no need to worry. So let's take this. X equal to minus 4. This plus 4 comes out first step. Then we'll divide by 2. X square. X by 2. Minus 4 by 2 will be minus 2. Then we will compare this with a square. Plus this is 2ab plus b square. This term we need to find out to add. And we'll keep this as it is just for writing sake, right? Okay. So our 2ab is x by 2. Then what is our ab? X by 4. Correct. We'll come here, rewrite this x square plus x by 4. 2x by 4. 2x by 4. Plus, see here, in this x by 4, this x by 4 can be written as what? X into 1 by 4. So this 1 by 4 is a constant. So I will add 1 by 4 square here. Then this side also I will add 1 by 4 square. Okay. So I will get x square plus 2x by 4. Don't try to cancel all this. Don't do. Just keep it. You are not doing all that. 1 by 16. And here minus 2 plus 1 by 16. Okay. So this will become cross multiply minus 32 plus 1 divided by 16. And this, if you observe, this is x plus 1 by 4 whole square. So x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to minus 31 by 16. Then what will be x plus 1 by 4? Root of minus 31 by 4. Then we will shift this 1 by 4 here. So x will be minus 31 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So we have minus 31 minus 1 by 4 as your roots. Very simple. So like this you can do any question here. Minus 31. However, here what happened actually, under root negative is coming. Correct? So square root, in this there is no real root actually, because this is giving us the imaginary number. Did you observe here? Minus 31 under root. Under root negative should not come. If the negative is outside the root, that's fine. If it is under root, then that's not giving us the real root. It will give us the imaginary complex number, which you will study in your college days. Correct? So these were the questions we can do like this. Very simple. Practice such questions and you'll be fine with them. Now let's take these two. So here also you can do by any method your formula whatever. First, these are not in standard form. This one format. First, make them they look like standard form. How? Like this: ax square bx plus c equal to 0. Like this, they should look. This should look like these are in a format of standard form. This is not. So first is cross multiply. X into x will give you x square. X square minus 1 equal to 3x. Okay, I directly did. Now what will happen? X square minus 3x, that 3x from right to left, minus 1 equal to 0. So we can do this by factorization method or anything. Correct. Anyway, completing square method, I think not required here because nothing is here. Correct. Already it is no coefficient here. So we can go for I think we can go for square root factorization or formula method. So if you are going for formula method, then first you need to get your ABC, right? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Just write this. This will help you find your A1. What is your b? Minus 3. What is your c? Minus 1. Now we all know the formula: minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Correct. So I have here minus of minus 3. Right? Minus is present here, and in the formula also minus is there. Then this will be b square. B square will be minus 3 square, which will be 9. 4ac, 4 into 1 into minus 1. So this will become 9 plus 4. 2 into 1. 2 into 1. 2. Okay. So further simplifying this, what we will get? We'll get here. Okay. 3 plus root 13 divided by 2. 3 plus root 13 divided by 2. 3 plus root 13 divided by, here plus or minus will be there, right? And this is plus or minus. This is plus or minus. So we are going to get two roots. One is 3 plus root 13 by 2. And one more will be 3 minus root 13 by 2. So one for plus, one for minus. That's the end of this question. Correct. Same way we can do this also. Yes. So let's take that also. What is this? 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equal to 11 by 30. Okay. So first cross multiply. I told you, right? Left, right, bottom, minus signs. See, there are two types of cross multiplications. One is this kind of 1 by 2 plus or minus 1 by 3. If there is plus or minus in between, like here minus is there, then you should do left, right, bottom. And one more cross multiplication will come, like 1 by 2 equal to 1 by x. If there is equal sign in between, if you want to cross multiply, just do left and right, don't do bottom. So if there is plus or minus, left, right, bottom. If there is no plus or minus, instead of that equal is there, only left and right. Remember this. So here minus is there. I'm going to do left, right, bottom, right? X minus 7 minus x plus 4. Whenever there is a minus outside like this, immediately introduce a bracket. Okay, in order to have no confusion. X plus 4 bottom equal to here how much? 11 by 30. Correct. So what will happen to the numerator now? X minus 7, open the bracket, minus x minus 4. See, that's the reason why you should introduce bracket. This was plus. If you write directly, then you may leave it as it is. So these two, let's multiply. X into x will be x square. Then x into minus 7 minus x. Then I will multiply from 4 now 4 into x, 4x, and minus 22, 11 by 30. 11 by 30. Okay. Correct. So okay, here we'll do one thing. This x will go. I have numerator as minus 7 minus 4 minus 11 divided by. Okay. We'll do one thing. Here we'll directly cross multiply this, or one step you want me to write, I'll write minus 11 x square minus 7x plus 4 minus 7 plus 4 minus 7 plus 4 integer rule minus 3. So I'll write minus 3x minus 28 equal to 11 by 30. Now I will do cross multiplication. So what cross multiplication? See, equal sign is there, only left and right, no bottom. Okay. Okay, so only left right cross multiplication. 30 into minus 11 equal to 11 into x square minus 3x minus 28. Okay, 30 into 11 will be minus 330. Correct. 11x square, 33x. Correct. 280, 308. 11 into 28. Okay, so now, okay, so this minus 330 I will just bring it to right side because 3 terms are there on right side, and it is quadratic equation, square term is present. So what will happen now? Minus 330 goes here, this side 0. Okay, 11x square minus 33x minus 308 plus 330. So this will give us what? 11x square minus 33x plus 22. That's all, equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation which is ready. Now students don't think like I have written it in another way. See, whether you write 11x square minus 33x plus 22 equal to 0 or like this, one and the same. Okay, you can write however you want. Now you have to solve this. You can see very clearly there is a common. You can take 11 as a common because 11 is present everywhere. See, 11 3s are 11 2s are. So x square 3s are 3x 2s are 22 equal to 0. Now you can solve this either by formula method or by factorization method. So one we have solved by formula, this I will solve by factorization. So x square minus I should get what I should get 2. This is 2. Okay, 2. Okay, minus 2x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, x minus 2, then here x minus 2. I have taught you already how to do all this. Correct? X minus 1 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 or x equal to 2. That's it, students. That's the end of completing square method. So we'll continue with the formula method. Formula method one I showed you already here, but still we will do some more questions by formula method. Correct? So let's continue. So formula method, very simple. Here a is 2, b is minus 7, c is 3. Correct? So x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, we'll write this formula once, then we will apply for all of these questions, right? So I'm doing now first one. This is first one. Okay, so let's write here minus of minus 7 plus or minus 7 square. Correct? 4 into a is 2 into c is 3 divided by 2a. 2a is 2 into 2. So what I will get? Plus 7 plus or minus, this is 49, 4 to the 8, 24, and here 4. So I will get 7 plus or minus root of 49, 25 divided by what? 4. So this will be 7 plus 5 by 4, or this will be 7 minus 5 by 4. That's the answer. Correct? So next, second one, x equal to minus b. What is b here? A is 2 here, b is 1 here, c is minus 4 here. So b is 1 plus or minus b square means 1 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is what? 4 divided by 2 into a, 2 into 2. Okay. So here 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32. 1 minus 32 divided by 4. So I am going to get 1 minus 32 means I am going to get 1 plus or minus root of minus 31 by 4. Okay, I had told you already, inside the root negative number should not come. Okay, so if inside the root negative is coming, that means it is imaginary number. It's not giving us the real root. No real roots exist. No real roots exist. Okay, so like this you should never have. If you have like this, then it's fine. This is not fine. Correct? Let's go to the next question here. So here, okay, a is how much? 4. Okay, b is how much? 4 root 3. Okay, c is equal to 3. Okay, minus b means minus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of b square. B square means square of this. See, there are two numbers. First we will square the 4. 4 square is 16, then root 3 square will be 3. So that will give us 48. Remember, when you have like this, these are called surds. You need to do both separately. Okay, 48 minus 4ac, 4 into c. Okay, this is 2 into 4. So what is happening here? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is giving you 0. That is giving you 0. 0 plus or minus divided by what? 8. So you will have only this term. So what is this now? Minus 4 root 3 divided by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are. That is minus 3 by 2. That's the root. Correct? Let's move on to the next. So don't mind, I'm going fast because formula method is very easy, man. Come on. X equal to minus b plus or minus b square 1 square minus 4 into a. A is 2, a is 2, c is 4. If we do this, is that okay? This same, I think. This and this. So only here you have minus 4 and here you have plus 4. Okay, let's omit this. Let's omit this. Next, this we know how we have to do this. I have already taught you. Equal to 3 cross multiply x square minus 1 by x equal to 3. So previously when we did this, I skipped this step. So those who did not understand, you see this is the step, then comes x square minus 1 equal to 3x step. Now becomes x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So formula method, we have already done this, right? Yes, I repeated it. Okay, no problem. Then next one we did. So next one is this, right? This okay, we did by factorization, but we did not do by formula method. So what was this actually? If I remember, this is something like this. Yes, it was correct. So minus 3 plus or minus 9. Okay, this is minus 4 into a is 1, c is this, divided by 2 into 1. That's it. Minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is how much? 1. 1, right? This is 1. Square root of 1 will be 1 only. So I will have root 3 1 by, okay, whole divided by 2a. 2 into 1. 2 I have here. So the roots are going to be minus 3 plus 1 by 2, which will be minus 2 by 2, which will be minus 1. One more root will be minus 3 minus 1 by 2, which is minus 4 by 2, which is minus 2. That's it, students. That's the end of completing square method, formula method, factorization method. So all the 3 methods I have taught you. Definitely you will have some doubts if you are working out. If there is anything like that, don't forget to comment or don't forget to message me on my Insta. The Insta handle is in description box. I am ready to help you at any time. Just put a message. I will be there for you. Yeah. So let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Ask your friends to immediately join our channel. They are going to have a beautiful journey ahead. These 2 months crucial. I have so many plans lined up there for you people. We are going to execute each and every plan. And I will give you guarantee that you will score best. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.